Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I thought I will show you some products that I've been using that have been helping me before the lockdown began. So basically, this is the Timmy facial scrub and this is the Timmy face mask. I've been using it before we suddenly go to isolation. Then I haven't been really taking care of my skin, hence I have some breakouts on my skin at the moment, so which is not very cool. I thought to myself, I have to put my worry aside and start looking after myself, because after this quarantine I want to come out looking glowy, and I want you guys to do the same as well. So basically, this product has been absolutely amazing on my skin. I've done an in-depth review on this product. If you want to have a look, I'll leave the link up there or down below for you guys to actually know the active ingredients and everything, as well as I'm going to leave the affiliate link down below, and you will use my code, which is iGladon20, to purchase this product. And whenever you do that, you get 20% off the original price. It's quite cool. So yeah, like I was saying before, your girl has been so sad with the whole thing that has been happening, and I said to myself, no, we can't do that, because my face is kind of deteriorating. Like, it's not like the breakout was just too much. I was just like, I can't have this, because my skin is quite dry. It's on the dry side, and as you can see, this place is really flaking. Like, the dryness is really dry, and I was just like, on my lips as well, I was just like, oh, I can't do this. Let's just get on top of ourselves, and yeah, let's just see how it goes. So yeah, let me just dive into this routine so that you guys can see how I'm going to transform this face to something a little bit brighter and glowy. So enjoy watching, guys. So I've got a bowl of hot water here that I'm going to use to stain my face, but what I like doing, because I'm a little bit sniffly, and to just clear my sinus, I'm just going to put like 2 drops of Obam's oil into my hot water. So this is my bowl of hot water, and I did dropped a drop or two, a drop of Obam's oil into the water just to clear my sinus. This is really nice. I could just feel my sinus all opening, because it really clear your airways, which is needed at this time of the time, because with this virus going on, you really need to build all your system. Guys, I've stained my face, and my face feels really tender, and yeah, which is good. So I'm ready to go ahead and wash my face, the first stage. So I'll be using the Clinique bar soap to wash my face. So let me just go ahead and do that. I'm just rubbing my brush on the bar soap just to get the lather going. So, and I'll be using my Lavani facial brush to scrub. So at this point, I'm just going to rinse my face. So I'll be using my Timmy facial scrub to scrub my face, to take the dirt out and to kind of smooth my skin. So this is what it looks on the inside. I'll just take that sort of amount to really scrub my face. I finished scrubbing my face now, so what I would like to do, I'm just going to rinse this off and probably go with the next stage. Okay. I just cut that to dry. Wow, that feels really nice. That feels really good. Feels so, my face instantly just feels so bright. I don't know if you guys can see, it just feels so bright and really soft. So before I put my face mask, I really want to exfoliate my skin more, just in case there's any dry spots that didn't go with the scrub. So I'll be using the Clinique to do that before I use the Teamy face mask. I've been using this for a long while. I really like this Clinique facial kind of exfoliator, so I'll just do that in a circular motion just to take anything off. Actually, this is what came out. I don't know if you can see. This is what came out, so it's not too bad. So the scrub, they did a good job taking most of the dirt out. So at this point, I'll be using the Teamy facial mask on my face, and just to really kind of tighten the skin, make it really glowy and brighten the skin too. You don't need a lot, you just need to take that amount. Start with that because it does spread, it really goes a long way. My skin feels really bright, it really feels bright and nice. So basically guys, as you can tell, it's all really nice dry. So what I need to do, I just need to wash this and take it off. Wow, my face is absolutely lovely. It feels so soft, so tender and so smooth. Honestly guys, try to kind of pamper your face while we are home. Now I'm going to be using my rose water. I'm going to squirt my rose water on my face just to tone my skin, so just to kind of really seal in the moisture and all that. This is a very nice organic rose water, by the way. This is very good to kind of soften the skin and really kind of hydrate the skin, leaving a lot of goodness on your skin. So while the rose water is in there drying, what I like doing, I'm going to pour another hot water on my bowl just to steam my face. Yeah, I like doing this because it really helps open the pores. Then the treatment that I'm about to put, they will all sink in and really do what they meant to do. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take my vitamin E oil and just put a little bit on my skin. So with vitamin E oil, it helps with wrinkles. This is a lot, but it's really good. It helps. I'm going to use the roller, my facial roller, to just roll it in, to massage it in so that it will go in nicely. So like I was saying, it helps with wrinkles, to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. It helps kind of fade scars. If you have scars on your face or on even skin, it helps. Sometimes, you know, when you have like acne and there's like some dark spots, it really helps to fade that off, so which is good. So with the help of this roller, I just kind of circulate the blood on my face and really kind of make things a bit more even. So this is really good. So I'll just do that a bit so that the vitamin E oil will nicely sink into the skin. So basically, I'm going to use my Black Forest Intensive Serum. This serum is amazing, absolutely fantastic serum. It really hydrates and leave your skin really soft and honestly moisturize. It intensively moisturize your face. So I'm just going to take a bit of that serum and squirt it. So that's the amount. So I'm just going to apply it to my face. I just feel the serum actually going into my skin, which is nice. To put a little bit of my face cream So hi guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy watching. So before I end this video, I just want to repeat myself again that I'll be leaving the link of the Timmy products down below, and use iGladon 20. The link is there. I'm going to put iGladon 20 up there or down below to purchase the Timmy product. I'm really happy with it. So this is the final review I'll be doing with this product. It's really nice. It really does what he should do, which is really good. So I'm very confident with it. So I'm not going to lie about it. So it's a really nice product. They've done a great job. So if you want to purchase the Timmy product, go ahead and purchase it, because I've used it more than, I don't know, maybe like 5 or 6 times, and I am still happy with it. And yeah, so I'll leave the link down below and I'll leave it up there. So I hope you've enjoyed watching. I hope this kind of motivates you to do your skincare while we are home, social distancing and isolating ourselves. So it's always nice to do something that will uplift the spirit and your well-being too. So until next time everybody, I'll say thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.